Here's a quick video of the new system, the new rod holders. They're a little different than the old ones, same basic block, but different locking mechanism. So you can see they have a wing nut here that loosens up, and then there's a nylock nut, so this can't come completely apart. So you can see how that slides back and forth. When this locks down, this is the tightest locking ones I've ever made. There's no play in it whatsoever. This particular rail system, a customer just ordered. It's been machined out in a radius on the back side so it can be welded to a handrail. And that's I do offer this as well. I don't do the welding, but I will machine a radius out for a 1-inch handrail. So as you can see again, loosen that wing nut up. This slides really easy. And then just tighten the wing nut. These are designed so that they'll point down. And so using my strong arm system, that would put the rod holder out of the boat rather than in, and so this would all be flush to my holder. So sorry for the poor quality video, just using my cell phone. I just wanted to get something up on the website. I started shipping these out about a week ago, and so some of you, I don't have any of the other old ones left. No retrofit program for this because it's just not possible. And anyway, yeah, same price as the other one. When you order them now, this will be what you get. I guess this normally you would point this down, and like I said, the nylock nut is only there to keep it from vibrating off if you leave it loose. It could be pointed up, but if there was some sort of clearance issue, but really it was designed to go down. It would lock good in either direction though. So anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call or shoot me an email.